Completely free and super powerful buy and sell indicators to help you in your trading journey.
Really?
Really.
In today's video, I'm going to show you best 4 amazing free TradingView indicators that point exactly where to buy and sell. But here's the catch. Using these indicators on their own isn't enough, but combining these indicators with other indicators will boost their accuracy and make them even more powerful. So, if you're ready to see some serious tools to improve your trading game, stick around.
Okay.
The first indicator we're diving into is the range filter buy and sell. Created in 2019, this open source gem has quickly become a favorite for many traders. It's packed with features that help pinpoint buy and sell zones clearly on the chart. With over 71 comments and most of them glowing with positive feedback, this indicator has definitely earned its reputation. And when it comes to strategy report, it has over 105% profit with only a drawdown of 8%. These indicator is amazing. You can find these data on TradingView. I will leave you a link in the description. The second indicator on our list is the envelope RSI, buy-sell signals. Perfect for short-term trades, this one combines RSI with the envelope indicator to spot overbought and oversold zones, great for snagging those quick opportunities. Here's how it works. When an asset hits oversold territory on the RSI and crosses up through the envelope's lower band, it triggers a buy signal. On the flip side, if it's overbought on the RSI and crosses down through the envelope's upper band, you've got a sell signal. This indicator really shines on the 15-minute time frame with a suggested risk-to-reward ratio of 1.1. But add it to other tools and you could see even better returns. And because it's open source, you'll find the code freely available. Just check the link in the description. The third indicator we have is the parabolic SAR plus EMA 200 plus MACD signals, a powerful blend of 3 trusted technical tools: parabolic SAR, EMA 200, and MACD. By combining these, you get crystal clear buy and sell signals that align with the market's trend. Here's how it works. The parabolic SAR helps you spot potential trend reversals. The EMA 200 shows the longer-term trend, and the MACD provides momentum insights. The MACD is not visible on the chart, but it uses to show the buy and sell signal. Together, they offer a reliable roadmap for catching the market's next move. And just like the other indicators, pairing this with additional tools can seriously boost your trading strategy, possibly transforming the way you trade. The final indicator on our list is the UT-Bot, and it truly earns its top spot. This indicator has received high praise from seasoned traders, and it's no wonder over 14,000 people currently rely on it to guide their trades. Its proven performance and popularity make it a go-to tool for traders of all levels. If you're ready to explore these indicators for yourself, I've included links in the description below so you can dive right in. Those are the top 4 powerful, completely free buy and sell indicators that can take your trading strategy to the next level. Remember, these indicators are at their best when used together with other tools to increase accuracy. So go ahead, try them out, and see how they can fit into your trading approach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll be sharing more tips, strategies, and tools to help you grow as a trader.